In this video, I'll be showing you how to install an always-on display on your Samsung Galaxy A37. So all you need to do is simply open up the Settings app on your phone and then scroll and select Themes. Under Themes, you then want to switch to the category labeled Always on Display. So just wait for it to load. And then once you're in the AODs or always on displays, you can see the different options that are available. So you can go ahead and select an option that suits your preferences. And then when you tap on it, you can see the preview. If you don't like how it looks like in the preview, you can always just go back and find one that suits your needs. Once you've successfully found the always on display that suits your needs, now all you need to do is simply select the option download and wait for it to be downloaded onto your phone. Then tap on apply. Bear in mind you will be prompted to ensure that your always on display is currently enabled before you can be able to apply it. And then you can choose whether you want to apply the clock and image or the image only. It's up to you. And then tap on done. And now whenever you glance at the always on display on your phone, you should be able to see how it looks like. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.